Welcome to OhmAzing Living. I'm here with you for a chair yoga solstice, summer solstice yoga practice. So I hope you're ready. This week will be the summer solstice. We have enjoyed the days getting longer and longer over the past several months. Spring has bloomed, and now we're in that fiery part of the year where it's hot and we have beautiful weather and beautiful crops and flowers, and it's very passionate and energetic. But at the same time, this week, the sun will reach its peak and we will have our longest day of the year, shortest night, and then very slowly the days will begin getting shorter until we get into the fall equinox. So to celebrate that, we are going to do a practice based on the summer solstice, which is the sun bowing down to the moon. Think forward folds, twists, things like that. So let's get started. So happy to have you here. Go ahead and take your hands down to your lap. If you'd like to, you can put them in Jhana Mudra, which means knowledge, thumb and index finger together, and palms facing upwards, so rest the back of your hands on your knees. Take a breath here. Exhale it out. Bring your focus into your heart center. Maybe you set an intention to try and stay focused throughout the practice today. Take a breath in. Exhale it out. Inhale it in and exhale it out. Go ahead and release your hands down to your sides. Take your arms all the way up on your inhale. Bring your palms together. Exhale, bring them down in front of your heart center. Inhale, take your arms out to a V, reach. Looking straight ahead, nice flat back, solid stance, pressing your feet into the floor. Exhale, bring your hands down to Anjali Mudra, heart center. Inhale, bring your arms all the way up and out to a V. One more time. Exhale, bring your hands down to heart center. This time I'd like for you to take your left arm all the way up as you take your right arm down to the side of your chair. Lean over to the right hand side. Stretch that left hand all the way over towards the right. Inhale, both arms come up to a V. This time we're going to drop the left hand down and take the right arm overhead. Reach. Inhale, both arms come all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Bend all the way forward into a forward fold. If you want to grab your ankles with your hands and pull that belly down to your thighs, please feel free to do so. Allow your head to hang. Inhale, halfway lift. Take your hands to your shins. Pull your shoulder blades together. Nice flat back. Exhale, forward, fold it down. And on your inhale, slowly bring yourself all the way up. And as you come up, pick up that right leg. Squeeze it in towards your chest. Nice flat back. Breathe here. On your next exhale, I want you to release your left hand back down to the side of the chair. Allow that right leg to fall open to the side. Open up your hip a little bit here. Breathe. Inhale your leg back to center. Exhale, drop it down. One more time. Nice big inhale in. Raise your arms all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Slowly bring yourself all the way back up. This time we're going to pick up the left leg. Squeeze it in towards our chest. Sit up nice and tall in our chair. Nice flat back. And again, we'll take that right hand, drop it down to the side of the chair as we allow our left leg to just fall open. resting in that left hand, opening up your hip flexor, pull it open as far as you can, still sitting up nice and tall. Inhale your leg back to center and drop your foot back down as you exhale. Inhaling with both arms coming up. Exhale, right hand down, left hand to your right leg, twist. Look over your right shoulder. Inhale, both arms come up. Other side. Exhale, drop your left hand down, right hand to your left leg. And on your exhale, twist and look over your left shoulder. Inhale, both arms come up. And exhale, drop your arms down to your sides. We're going to take our right leg, we're going to take it out to the side. You can allow your toes to be pointing downward. We are in a gate pose. You're going to need to be at the edge of your chair here. I want you to take a nice big breath in. Take your arms all the way up. Exhale, drop your right hand down to your right leg as you take your left hand overhead. Inhale, both arms come up. Drop your left hand down. Take your right arm overhead. Inhale it up. And as you do, I want you to lift the toes of your right foot up so that your heel's on the ground. Turn to face that right leg as you bend over with both hands and reach for your toes. Inhale, come on back up. Exhale, drop that left hand down. Reach your right arm overhead. Inhale it up. Again, turn to face that right leg. Take both arms, reach towards your toes. Maybe you can reach them, maybe you can't. Inhale, both arms come up. Go ahead and allow those toes to come back down to the floor as you bend at the waist. Taking your arms out to a T, flipping your palms up for a bird pose in the chair. Look up. Inhale, both arms come all the way up and then drop them down to the sides of the chair as you bring your leg in. Realign yourself on your chair a little bit. You might have to scoot a little bit to the opposite side. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. So go ahead and take that left leg out. Toes are pointing down to begin with. Take a nice big breath in. Inhale it in. Exhale, drop your left hand down. Reach your right arm overhead. Gate pose. Inhale, both arms come up. Exhale, drop your right hand down. Take your left arm overhead. Inhale up. Point your left toes up towards the air, so heel on the ground as you turn towards that left leg and extend your arms all the way out, reaching. Inhale, back up. Exhale, right hand down, left arm overhead. Inhale, come on back up, take both arms up, turn towards that left leg, reach both hands down. Inhale, come on back up. On your exhale, take your arms out to a T, bend at the waist, turn your palms up, look up, bird pose. Inhale, both arms come all the way up. And go ahead and bring your leg back in as you drop your arms down. Coming to the front of your chair, let's open our legs out wide. Take a nice big breath in, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, drop your right arm down, take your left arm overhead, reach. Inhale, come on back up, drop your right arm down, take your left arm overhead, reach. Inhale, both arms come all the way up. On your exhale, take your arms out to a T. We're going to put our index finger and our thumb together in Jnana Mudra, which means knowledge. Taking your arms out to a T, bend at the waist, look down at the floor, lift your heels up off the floor. You're on your tippy toes. Inhale, raise your arms all the way up as you drop your feet back down to the floor. You can keep them in Jnana Mudra. Exhale one more time, bend at the waist. Take your arms out to a T. Look down at the floor, lift your heels off the floor. Inhale, both arms come up. Release your mudra, allow your heels to come down to the floor. And exhale, go ahead and drop your hands down to the sides of your chair. Heel toe your feet back together. Come to sitting up nice and tall. This is going to require you to get out of your chair. So if you need to hold on to the side of your chair for this, please feel free to do so. If you're not comfortable with getting out of your chair, then you can just stay seated. We're going to go into a chair pose. So if you'd like and you're unable to get out of your chair pose, you can just come with your arms straight up. For those of you that feel that getting out of your chair will work for you, get a nice good grip on the floor, raise your arches, really get a nice firm, solid stance on the floor, and on your inhale in, come up, raise your tush off the chair, chair pose. Engage your abs. Exhale, reach back to feel where the chair is as you bring your hips back down. Lean back, lift your legs. Boat pose. Hold. Arms out to a T. Exhale, slowly drop your feet down. And come up, back up into chair pose. Hold. Hold. On your exhale, drop your arms down so that you can feel the chair as you slowly bring yourself back down to the chair, back into boat pose, arms out. Exhale, bring your feet back down, slowly come back up, chair pose. Bring your hands to prayer center, hold them at your heart. On your next exhale, twist towards your right. Inhale it in, come back to center, and then exhale it over to the left. Inhale, go ahead and come back to center, take your hands back so that you know where the chair is as you slowly bring yourself back into your chair. Take a nice big breath in, take your arms all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Let your belly come down to your thighs. And then push through your feet as you slowly, slowly, slowly bring yourself all the way back up. Go ahead and come to the edge of your chair. Straighten your feet all the way out. Flex your toes. Sit up nice and tall, taking a breath in and raising your arms all the way up. We're going to hinge at the hips and let ourselves spill over our hips as we reach down for our toes. If you can reach your toes, that's awesome. If you can't, allow your hands to rest onto your shins. Just remember, we want to have a nice flat back, long spine as you're reaching out. And breathe, allow your shoulders to relax. Just a nice stretch here for your hamstrings and your lower back before we go into Shavasana. Inhale and slowly bring yourself back up. If you need to hold the sides of your chair, please feel free to do so. Bend your knees. And go ahead and go into whatever position you'd like to be in for Shavasana. So if you want to lean back in your chair and stretch your legs out, feel free to do so. Or you can just stay seated with your knees bent. Take just a couple of minutes to breathe in and out. Relax yourself. Focusing on your heart center. Giving thanks for the upcoming summer solstice and the ability to do yoga. Go ahead and drop your hands down to your side. Inhale, bring your arms all the way up. Take your palms together as you slowly bring them down to your heart center in Anjali Mudra. Thank you guys so much for coming out and spending this time with me today. I really appreciate you being here. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'd love to see you back for another one of my videos. Let's take our hands to forehead center as we bow and we say, Namaste, Shanti, Shanti, peace, peace be to this world.